folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we're heading beachside to an oceanfront condo building that needs all their water main shutoffs replaced in the building. There's multiple buildings out here. We're just working on one today, and I think there's 12 of them. So this ought to be fun. Let's go. All right, so we've arrived. It's a busy little road right on the ocean here, across the street from the ocean. Let's see what we're working with. Just here, see? There's one there and one there. One's for upstairs, one's for downstairs. And we got 12 of these. I don't know if we're gonna get them all done today. Got the meter cut off. Let's start draining water. Being on the ocean and stuff, everything rots. So they painted these pipes to try to protect them. We're gonna have to scrape those things off so we can get a good cut and stuff. Whew, it is hot out here. We're working right on the sun. 9 o'clock in the morning. It's quite loud too, all the traffic. Try to get some of this paint off here with my channel locks. I'll go ahead and cut these all out. Cut out, but look. It's just all full of water and stuff. I think I'm fighting that for a while. So the only thing I have on me, unless I hook up some sort of shop vac, is a supply line. And I start blowing this out. Now these are the replacement valves. They are 3/4 inch brass, made by Wolverine Brass. However, we're going to remove these handles because it's beachside, and we've got special ones made for Wolverine Brass, stainless steel, so they're going to hold up better over the salt air and stuff. Water's back, so we're gonna have to blow them out and quickly at least get our valve on before we can make our connection. It's the only way to do it. We're gonna be fighting it the whole time. All right, it's a race of time here, and I get that valve on before that water starts. Beat the water. Now I only got 11 more of these. Got to tie that together with a slip coupling, and this one will be done. Three-quarter inch slip coupling. Let's get that cleaned up. And it is cooking out here right in the sun. Let's get some flux on this little pre-measured piece that I've already cleaned. Slide that slip coupling right in there all the way. Give it a go. It's a tight fit. See? Now we got to try to get that on the other end. Got it. And that's why I left this side open, because they're connected together and I kept blowing water out of here. But that solder joint took. We're good. Now only 11 more to go. Hey, that's all the time we got for this one. We got rained out. Just letting you know, we got all those valves in by 2:30 in the afternoon. One thing I did want to reiterate on is the fact that being on the beach and stuff, you've seen I had to change the handles out, put stainless steel ones in. We turned everything on just in the nick of time before the storms hit, and we had no leaks. We actually had another plumber come by and help us out so we could get it done a little quicker. Thanks. Got any questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.